about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. You see, fam, I got my retainers in, so if I'm slurring a little bit, that's why I got my retainers in. People say, Chris is fucked up. He fucked up. I knew something wrong with him. So I'm making sweet potato pancakes, fam, with 2 eggs. Gonna add a little protein in here. Decided to go ahead and vlog. Show you guys my meal. You know, take it to the gym a little bit. Fuck with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook. And let's start our day, okay? A little burnt, but it's all good. Okay? Making 2 pancakes for my syrup. Let me show y'all my syrup. A little sugar-free syrup. Okay? Bam! Fam, check me out. Got my sweet potato pancakes. Hippie milk to the side, alright? About to get ready to train pretty soon. I got delts and traps. People have been asking me, what has been my split lately? You know, in the past, I've done push-pull legs. Oh yeah, fun fact. We're doing Black Friday. The sale is gonna end December the 6th. Okay, so you wanna take advantage of my Black Friday sale, get your program for 25% off, hire me for coaching. If you're already a client, get more weeks, type in Black Friday at beastmode316.com, okay? But yeah, I'm doing a bro split program. You can get that off my site. I'm doing a bro split program. And for the past 2 years, it works just fine for me. You gotta keep in mind, fam, I didn't get into bodybuilding to compete. Matter of fact, look at this clip right here. Look at this clip right here. You know, I'm about to take me a protein shake or whatever and go to the gym. But before I do, I just want to let y'all know, hey, I'm in the Dallas area. If you're looking for a trainer after the holidays to work them rolls off, hey, I'm your guy. And if you don't stay in the Dallas area, or hell, if you're just too fucking cheap to get a personal trainer, just subscribe to my YouTube page and learn all you can, please do, because I'm posting videos like every other day, you know, so you can learn all you can for free. Just subscribe to me and I'll be happy to teach you everything I can. So that clip is December 20th, 2011, okay? As you see, I'm online trying to get clients. Trying to get clients and make me some money. Point blank period. I didn't get into bodybuilding to be a competitor. I got into bodybuilding to get on some hoes. Okay? I got into bodybuilding at 19, not to flex on the stage. I got into bodybuilding to get on some hoes. Okay? Hoe ready. You don't need all them muscles out to here to get on some hoes, okay? And then somewhere down the line, it went from working out to try to get girls to, you know, establish myself as a trainer, because I realized bills are gonna come no matter what. Every first, bills are due. So I was like, hey, I like working out. Why not teach others how to work out? So that's what I'm about, fam. I'm about keeping myself looking hoe ready, which is what I'm doing. No, I'm not Mr. Olympia. Okay? No, I don't have the best physique on the planet, but my physique is above average. And when I'm lean and mean in the summertime, I literally look like a walking, talking statue. That's good enough for me. So the bro split works perfectly fine for my personal goals. All right, I'm gonna do some intra pump BCAs in my water. And for caffeine, I'm gonna do some Cuts FTS fat burner therm. Even though I'm not cutting, it gives me a little energy for the gym, okay? Let's get it. You good? All right, fam, so today right here is a light day for me, and what I like to do on my light days, I like to throw some bands in between sets. Believe it or not, this can really help with the stabilizers, okay? So between sets, I'll open up, hold for about 10 seconds, get behind, hold for about 10 seconds, get above me, and just pulse. Let me tell you, opening up those shoulder blades is a fucking cheat code. Now keep in mind, fam, today's a lighter day, and I'm focused on frontal plane. I really want my elbows, straight to my sides, and I want to come up and in like a pyramid, okay? I'm not having my elbows to the front, okay? I want my elbows to my side, and I want to come out and up and in. That's really gonna get them delts. I can't be giving y'all my damn secret. Here we go. You hear? This is here to the front, right? I go to the front, and I'm doing like that. That's to the front. I want to come out slightly to the side, okay? I want to come up and in. It takes grade A neuromechanical matching to do this, okay? I'm not coming here. I'm coming out, okay? Out, up and in. Out, up and in. Out, up and in. All right, home. So here we are. I'm having me a protein shake. You already know, GAF Wave from TigerFitness.com. I'm gonna throw in some creatine, okay? That you can also get at TigerFitness.com. All right. And I'm gonna have some pineapples with it and a little bit of watermelon. I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some beef while I have this snack right here, cause I'm getting kind of hungry. Let's get it. So you got the beef going, okay? We're gonna throw a little bit of purple onions. All right, so as you see, I got a whole pound of beef cooked. That comes out to about 12 ounces. Okay, so keep in mind, you lose about 1/4 of its weight when you cook it. So pound of beef, 12 ounces cooked, okay? Gonna throw in some of this sugar-free barbecue sauce. Got some brown rice up in there. Yes, okay. Go ahead and knock out this meal in the office. In my office, About to watch a little YouTube. Is that you, Brookie? Come here. Oh, have Denise. So Denise and Brooke ordered some food. What did y'all have?
Brookie has sushi.
Y'all had sushi.
But no, Brookie ate both of these. This is
y'all ate all of it already?
This, yeah. No, we have spoiled Brookie.
Today Tuesday? This is a Tuesday.
She said, I asked her what did she want for dinner, and she said sushi. And she said, order it. Have it come to the house. And we was at the gym, and she was like, order sushi. Have it come to the house. And I was like, wow.
She is spoiled. That ain't normal. This ain't normal. All right, homies, the homettes. Order me a little Uber Eats. I'm gonna go to bed. Okay? Just a simple meal. Some chicken breast, rice and beans, and a little bit of plantain. I got 2 meals. That way tomorrow, lunchtime, I already got something to eat, okay? Well, anyway, guys, you already know. You head on down to Beastmode316.com. You looking for a coach, a program, some merch, fuck with me. The discount code is Black Friday. As always, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you at the next one. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.